Oh my gosh, my first Texas fish. Look at the belly on this joker. About 3 pounds in a 2-pounder body. 6-cent panorama. Killed it. Look at the markings on this joker. Beautiful fish. Killed it, crushed it.
That's a big catfish.
Yeah, look at the markings on it.
I know. What kind of fish is that?
A bass? Yeah, a largemouth. He got spots all over him. First Texas fish. Thanks. Look what he hit. The 6-cent panorama. Look at the markers on this joker, man. I think he like 3 pounds. I ain't got my scale on me. You mind taking a picture for me? Like a 3-pounder in a 2-pounder body. Of course, I wasn't recording, so missed all the fight. It was a good fight and everything. He hit it like a sack of bricks. Come on, man, don't. Oh. Yes, thank you, Texas. We out here. Let's go. Let's put him back. Oh. Okay, all right. Oh! Gone. Yeah! Acrobatic.